Warner has put in a lot of effort into creating one of the best camera systems that they can make now, okay? And because of that, let's talk about the camera now. Now, when it comes to the camera specs, this thing has a 50 megapixel ultra night main camera and also a 200 megapixel ultra night telephoto camera, 50 megapixel ultra wide angle camera and 50 megapixel front camera. All the lenses here are actually great in shooting night photos, especially the ultra night telephoto 200 megapixel and also the main 50 megapixels because they have really large sensor and also very big aperture. So in other words, this phone has the highest megapixel, has the largest sensor and also the most stable stabilization compared to other phones in the market now. When it comes to the telephoto camera, it is not just 200 megapixels, but they can also achieve the stabilization standard of CIPA 5.5. If you're not sure about this standard, never mind, you just need to trust me. The thing is super stable, especially when you're zooming to all the way to 100 times. Other than the hardware, there's also amazing imaging engines inside. The first one is Night Engine, which is integrated with large AI model boasting 1 billion parameters, which also means it is able to capture low light photos and creating lighting and shadows precisely. The next one is Anti-Shake Engine, like what I mentioned just now. It is able to achieve super amazing stabilization with its hardware like gyroscope, motor and everything else, achieving CIPA level 5.5. And lastly, Portrait Engine, which allows skin texture optimization, light and shadow restoration and realistic bokeh simulation, making faces appear more 3D. Now, because this phone is meant for users to take all sorts of focal range all the way from ultra-wide to 100x, powered by AI generation photos, we can truly capture photos at multiple angles like what you see here. Come, let me show you more sample photos of how I zoom from ultra-wide all the way to 100x. Now remember, I mentioned that it is also great at taking night photos. As you can see from the sample photos here, even under low light, sunset or even at night, you can take amazing photos and everything is very clear, including the contrast and also the color. I would say that the Honor Magic 8 Pro is the most flexible smartphone that can take multiple focal length of portrait photos, like what you can see here. Even just one phone, you can take portrait photos of different zoom and you can see how it affects the bokeh and also the subject. And when it comes to portrait, there are two types of filters. One is called classic and one is called film. The classic one are all the hardcore vibrant, hardcore color, hardcore classic. And if you go to film, you actually get all these amazing filters like clear negative, rich negative, warm negative, and many more. Now, other than portrait photos, your normal photos also get some AI color treatment. And it's called Magic Color. So as you can see on the screen here, there's romantic blue, there is golden autumn, there is warm sunset that you can apply before or even after you take a picture. Now, what I like is you can actually create your own kind of preset or look based on any photo that you have, and then the look will actually be applied AI-wise to the photo that you just took. Other than that, you also get your classic filters like vibrant, natural, and you also get your film filters, which is almost similar to those like Leica, Hasselblad, Ricoh, Fujifilm, Zeiss, and they are called clear negative, rich negative, warm negative, classic positive, and also nostalgic negative. Now, if you ask me personally, I don't prefer using Magic Color because all three options are not to my preference, but I really love all the film looks, and my favorite is actually the nostalgic negative. Just like every other Honor smartphone, you will get amazing AI editing features, and this one, when you tap on AI edit, you get to do a lot of things. So for example, AI eraser, face tune, AI beauty, AI upscale, AI cutout, and also AI out painting. So some of the features that I can show you now, AI eraser is when you can remove things from your pictures. As usual, face tune is quite interesting because just in case you have a photo of yourself or your friends with eyes closed, you can use this feature to open their eyes. Next one, AI cutout. So this one, you can cut out the subject in your photos using AI and you can make it bigger, smaller, remove it, and then the background will be generated with AI. And lastly, AI out painting. This one is very good because if you have like a square photo but you want to fit it into a vertical format like Instagram story, you can actually use this to expand the picture using AI, and now you have a full and bigger picture to be used everywhere. In case you're not aware, Android phones like the Honor Magic 8 Pro can also take live photos like the iPhone, but here it's called moving photos, and you can actually find it when you open a photo. On top here, you can actually tap on this button called moving photo and you will have a few options to play with. Okay, for example, slow motion, motion trail, motion clone, or you can just disable moving photo and you don't get anything except just a plain photo. Now, one feature that I really like about the Magic 8 Pro is the watermark feature, okay? You might think that this is a very small thing, but to me, it actually helps to elevate the look of the overall shot. So for example, if you click on AI edit, you can actually go all the way to the right and then tap on watermark. And then under watermark, you get many categories, for example, classic, AI image, simple, pick color, traditional Chinese style, film, and also featured. So here are some of the watermark that you can choose from. And what I like is you can customize by including or excluding the model number, the time, the parameters, the AI logo, and also you can change custom text. For example, me putting the word smashpop in my photos to make it more personalized. So that was some of the amazing camera, photography, AI, and also hardware mentions about the Honor Magic 8 Pro. What do you think of the phone? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe and also share this video with your friends. My name is Smashpop and I'll see you in the next video. Yo!